Good morning, friends. My name is Trupti. Today we are going to start the non-verbal section of reasoning, and the first topic of it is mirror image. So let's learn together. Before starting this video, I would like to motivate you all with this beautiful quote that Rome was not built in a day. Yes, it is true. What does it mean? It means that great things take time to happen. So, if our ambition in the life is high, it is going to take time. It is not possible in a day. So, we should never be disheartened. We should always be patient, and we should always remember that patience and consistency are the key to success. So, let's move to our topic, that is mirror image. See, we all are quite known about this from our childhood. But in competitive exams, to solve the questions, we need a right approach so that we can solve the questions as much faster as possible and we can save time. To solve the question, we should always know the basics. Basics means about the nature of the image formed by the plane mirror. So here here you can see it is the plane mirror. Here is a boy standing in front of the plane mirror, and it is the image formed by this plane mirror of this boy. Now, can you say, is the boy and the image of the boy are exact? There is no difference. Think a while. Observe minutely. What is the difference? Yes, you can find here that here the boy is raising its left hand, but the image of the boy is raising its right hand. So, this happens in our day-to-day life also. So, in conclusion, we can say that in mirror, the left of the object becomes the right in the image, and the right of the object becomes the left in the image. Now I think you can answer why ambulance is written like this manner. Think a while. Okay, I am saying if when a person is ahead of this ambulance and he sees ambulance in his rear view mirror, so if ambulance is written in this manner, the mirror image of ambulance will become this. So it will be quite difficult for him to understand that it is ambulance. So ambulance is written in this manner so that we can in the mirror image we can read actually ambulance. So is it clear to all? Like this, we read ambulance in our mirror like this. Now the second property. What is the second property? We observe it in our day-to-day life. Suppose I am standing. Suppose I am standing here, and here is my image. Okay. Suppose then I start moving away from my position, and we must observe. We all have observed in our life that the image also moving away from the mirror, and when we move towards the mirror, the image also moves towards the mirror. What does it mean? It means that the image is always formed behind the mirror at the same distance as the object is in front of the mirror. So we can conclude a simple thing from this, that जो चीज पास में है उसका इमेज हमेशा पास में बनेगा, और जो चीज दूर में है उसका इमेज हमेशा दूर में होगा. We will use this concept to find out the solutions of the questions much faster, and we will use elimination method also. So let's move to the questions. Here is a plane mirror. Here you can see it is a plane mirror. We have to find out the mirror image of this picture. Okay, we will use this concept. दूर जो पास में है उसका इमेज पास में बनेगा, जो चीज दूर में है उसका इमेज दूर में बनेगा. तो इसका इमेज विल बी, ये पास में है ना तो पास में बनेगा, ये दूर में है तो ये दूर में बनेगा. Okay, we will then eliminate the options. In which option it is possible? This thing appears in this option. No, it is inverted. In this option, yes, it may be possible. In this option, no, it is also inverted. It is not possible. In this option, no, it is not possible because it is inverted. So the only option is left is option 2. So the answer will be option 2. You see how fast we can find the answers of these questions. Let's move to the next question. Now, here is the plane mirror. We have to find out the mirror image of this. So what will be? जो चीज पास में है उसका इमेज पास में बनेगा, जो चीज दूर में है उसका इमेज दूर में बनेगा. तो ये स्क्वायर पास में है तो स्क्वायर बनेगा यहाँ पर. उसके बाद ये वो लास्ट में ये वाला फिगर. ओके, और ये स्मॉल लाइन पहले, उसके बाद ये बड़ा लाइन. We have to find in which option this is there. In this option, yes, it may possible. In this option, no. In this option, yes, it may possible. In this option, yes, it is possible. But you can see the two lines are same. So we have to eliminate this option. So between 1 and 3, we have to find out the correct option now. So you can see here the first is the small line and then the great large line. So this option will be incorrect because first there is the large line. So this option is incorrect and the correct answer is option number 3. Now let's move to our next question. We have to find out the mirror image of this picture, but in this case the mirror is here. So the mirror image will be formed like this. Here is the mirror x, y. जो चीज पास में है उसका इमेज पास में बनेगा और जो चीज दूर में है उसका इमेज दूर में बनेगा. So like this, but the arrow will be now in this direction because it is in this direction. The mirror image will be in this direction. Now we'll find out in which options it is present. In this option, no. In this option, no. In this option, yes. In this option, yes. But between 3 and 4, we have to now find out which option is correct. So you can see here there are two horizontal dots. So in the image also there will be two horizontal dots. Okay, but you can see there is vertical dots. So this option is not correct. The correct option is option 3. Now let's move to our next question. Here the mirror is here. We have to find out the mirror image of this. How will be this mirror image? Okay. I'm drawing here, so it is not quite looking good. जो चीज दूर में पास में उसका पास में, तो ये this will be like this. So in which option it is there? In this option? No. In this option? No. In this option? No. Because are you finding out why these options are eliminated? These options don't match with this. The only option is this. The correct answer will be 3. Now let's move to our next question. What will be the mirror image of this fish? The mirror image will be, we'll use this concept. जो चीज दूर में है उसका पास में है, उसका इमेज भी पास में बनेगा. तो ये टेल भाग पहले बनेगा. तो हम पहले छांट लेते हैं कि कौन सा ऑप्शन में ये टेल पहले आ रहा है. इस दिस ये ऑप्शन नहीं, ये तो नहीं हो सकता, ये भी नहीं हो सकता, तो ये हो सकता है. Now from these two options 2 and 3 we have to find out which option is correct. You can see here is a line, but in this option there is no line here, so it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option number 2. Now let's move to our next question. We have to find out the mirror image of this, and the mirror is here. So 2 pehle 2 will be like this. Is all in 3 options 2 is like this. In this option 2 is not like this. Now you can find this figure will come first with 2. Sorry. Like this. Like this.